valves.
Yeah. So this is we always like to make a little joke here and there if we see any surprises here. So we're at 28651 Hoover. We're at the far end units, south side.
South.
In the bathroom here, going through the cleanup. So Cody and I were talking a little bit earlier, and from what we could tell, we had clay line all the way coming back. So you did reach the sewer line out there at the rear. So.
Water's flowing great.
You're totally defying gravity here with this water.
Tie-in right here.
Yeah, so we see that there. Okay.
The length of the line's went about 80 feet out before I reached the
Before
city
you hit the
main.
city main.
Yeah.
I mean, this looks pretty normal as far as debris and spider webs and what have you.
One there. Another tie-in.
Yep. Okay, so there's two.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
So the pitch looks good. The structure of the pipe all looks real good. All right, is that a
Turn.
just a little
It's like
turn
a
there?
45
Okay.
or-
Yeah. 30 maybe. The sexy part of the job. Colonoscopy.
Another turn.
Yeah. Typically in these types of buildings, we see a lot more debris kind
Another
of
tie-in
hung up
right
in the
here.
line. Another tie-in here, yeah. So this is good that we're not seeing any backups. A little bit of sludge build up there, but not terrible. You good?
Yeah. Gotta push that in. See if
Steve,
I can push
yes.
that in.
And we can wait. Afraid of germs?
Yeah. There we go.
You should be coming out in just a second.
Okay.
That's it, coming out.
All right. So do me a favor. You want just for for giggles? Do we want to go to that third unit and just push and see if it comes this way and what the under the slab looks like real quick?
Do it now.
If we go down to that third unit and kind of just get into that wall stack and just kind of see what happens for 30 feet or so?
Yeah, we can do that.
You mind?
Well,
I think-
I can't.
Well, comes off, comes off.
It's a Dearborn,
Oh, okay.
but I think we should be okay. You got a temporary in your truck?
I believe so. I might.
Okay.
All right,
I double check.